Meet the Samsung Galaxy S22, a compact flagship that still holds its own in 2026. This phone comes in a sleek, premium design with a glass front and back. The camera bump now matches the phone's color, giving it a clean, elegant look. It's protected front and back by tough Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for durability. The S22 is also IP68 rated, so it resists water and dust with ease. Let's talk display, preview. A 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with vibrant colors.
It runs at a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, adjusting down to save battery life.
Brightness peaks at around 1,500 nits, making outdoor visibility genuinely impressive.
Under the hood, you get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200 chipset. That's paired with 8 GB of RAM, delivering smooth multitasking and solid gaming power.
Storage options go up to 256 GB, though there's no microSD card slot here.
A neat trick called RAM Plus turns spare storage into extra virtual memory. Now onto the cameras. A 50-megapixel main sensor leads the setup. It's joined by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Photos come out detailed and punchy, even in tricky low-light conditions. The front camera also supports portrait mode for sharper, more natural selfies.
For video, Director's View lets you switch angles and control shots like a pro.
Security comes from an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, fast and reliable.
Face recognition is also on board, though it relies on the front camera only.
Battery capacity sits at 3,700 mAh, enough for a full day of typical use.
It supports fast wired and wireless charging, so topping up is quick and easy.
Sound comes through a dual speaker setup tuned with Dolby Atmos support.
Software runs on Samsung's One UI, clean, feature-rich, and regularly updated. Full 5G connectivity is built in, keeping you fast wherever coverage is available.
Compared to the iPhone 13, the S22 wins on refresh rate and peak brightness. Compared to newer models like the S23 and S24, it still holds its ground.
The Galaxy S22 is now more affordable, offering flagship value at a lower price.
Pros: compact design, bright display, strong cameras, and dependable everyday performance.
Cons: no microSD slot, and it's now a couple of generations behind. Final verdict tale, the Samsung Galaxy S22 remains a smart, compact flagship choice today.